People who looted the donation of Ayodhya is now making allegation that Congress is Ram Virodi or Samajwadi Party is Ram Virodi. People will laugh on it. What we are asking for a discussion and action to be taken against those who have taken money from Ram Mandir donation. No, they have no answer for that. They are completely covering up the people who theft Ram Mandir donation. They are completely covering up and then completely trying to safeguard the robbers. Then they are making this type of allegation. Who is going to believe it? We are all real Bhaktas, but they are using Bhakti in the name of God. They are using the name of God for theft, for stealing the money. This is what the difference. We never used these temples and the gods for money or dividing the religion. But their idea is to divide the religion in the name of God or take money from donations, temples.
But it is being said in the house, sir. It will be in the record.
No, we went to speaker. No issue has happened today. When Kiran Rijiju, that also under the instance of chair, honorable chair. I am sorry to say that. He stand up and told all the stories against the Congress party, Samajwadi party and oppositions. And during that he told this against us. That was completely unparliamentary. That has to be removed from the proceedings. And Kiran Rijiju should apologize to the people of this country by saying this untruth and covering up their own guilties. Number two, while speaking in the chair mentioned my name. The Kiran Rijiju took my name 5 times. Of course, whenever a minister taking another member's name, it is a parliamentary practice to give an explanation time for other member, which I asked several times. Instead of giving that explanation time, he himself is actually ridiculing me and opposition. How can a chair do this? He's completely ridiculed me and entire opposition. If he want to become big Bhakta of Narendra Modi, he can do with a different way, not in this way. I am sorry to say that. We never expect this type of behavior from the chair. We never expect. This is not at all a parliamentary, according to the parliamentary custom, not at all according to the parliamentary customs. This is what 2 issues. We went to speaker, all the MPs, and complained that all the proceedings which was totally avoidable should be removed from the proceedings. And this chair, speaker has to save us from this Jagdambika Pal by sitting in the chair. This also we requested to the speaker.
Sir, also there is information coming that there could be a special session. Is there any talk with the government? Government, given any information regarding?
No. Government today, Parliamentary Affairs Minister met Kiran Rijiju for discussing delimitation things. What is the idea of opposition? These are the things he spoke to us. Because some rumors are telling he spoke about delimitation, and we suggested that we will come back. Nothing is there. Our stand is very clear. Whatever stand we took in the last parliamentary session, still we are on that stand. There is no change on that. Opposition stand is very clear that. He cannot make confusions. His Parliamentary Affairs Minister making confusion that informal wordings are happening, throwing out. Understood? No, this is total what they want. What is the stand of the opposition? Whether the opposition stand has changed or not? Our stand is very clear. Our stand is not changed at all.
On FCRA also? On FCRA discussion held on FCRA also?
FCRA, let them bring the FCRA bill. Then we will show them what is our attitude. That I have spoken about that already.
And then, is there any chance of special session? What we are hearing also.
We don't know. We don't know nothing. We don't know nothing. What is the purpose of the special session? Therefore, I think the person who has to deal this pilot the delimitation bill, he is not even coming to the parliament. He is hiding somewhere else. In this building, he is there. He is hiding here or the somewhere. He is not even brave enough to come to the parliament.
He's in the building, sir.
Building is there. Somebody is telling building is there. Parliament is not, the minister's job is not sitting in this room. His job is to come to the parliament to explain. Who ordered that firing? Who ordered that firing? Today also Rahul Gandhi spoken about that. Country need to know who ordered that firing. Who ordered for pellet gun firing? He is not in a position to answer it because entire his mind is in guilty now. Who ordered for AK-47 in Bihar? Well, these answers.
DM, sir, DM.
Okay. This is the problem. This is the problem. You will give answer for government. You will not take opposition views. The job of the journalist is all the times not like that. Whenever a question raised by opposition, then you will ask the government that question. Instead of that, what you people are doing, you are asking the question for government to ask. I am so sorry.